Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on how to simply clear cache and temp files on your WeChat account in order to boost your WeChat account performance. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WeChat and click on here to open up my WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here, click on me, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on general right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to storage. Then right here you have all your cache file right here. Cache file is the temporary data generated when using WeChat. Clearly the cache does not affect the normal use of WeChat. Simply click on remove now. So about 1.4 cache file right here. So it's going to take you right here. You can decide which of the cache file you want to remove. In this tutorial, I'm going to simply remove all. So I will simply click on clear right here from the bottom right here. Clearing cache. After going back, clearing file, so just like so, you can see clear 1.4 gig of cache file. Next thing you want to do is to click on got it. It's as simple as that. Then you are able to save a lot of space in your WeChat. So basically, this is how to clear cache file and boost your WeChat operational system without deleting any vital information.